Salut mes amis, j'espère que tu vas bien. Aujourd'hui, nous apprenons les mois de l'année. Commençons. Hello my friends, I hope that you all are doing fine. Today we are going to learn about the months of the year. So let's start. So as you see, today's topic is les mois de l'année, the months of the year. MOIS, les mois is months and de l'année is of the year. Okay? And mois in singular is le, masculine, le mois, the month. Okay? So as you can see, I have listed down all the months of the year. So in green we have it in English and in black we have it in French. Okay, let's go through them once and then we'll play some games to make our learning interesting and quick. January, Janvier, February, Février, March, Mars, April, Avril, May, June, Juin. Okay, let's do these 6 months once again. January, Janvier, February, Février, March, Mars, April, Avril, May, June, Juin. Okay, Janvier, Février, Mars, April, May, Juin. Alright. July, Juillet, August, août, September, septembre, October, octobre, November, novembre, December, décembre. Okay, so you see the last 4 months have a quite similar ending. Septembre, October, November, December. Okay, now let's do these 6 months again. July, Juillet, August, août, September, septembre, October, octobre, November, novembre, December, décembre. Easy? Now let's try and say it in French only. Janvier, Février, Mars, Avril, Mai, Juin, Juillet, août, Septembre, Octobre, November, December. Okay? Now, let's make it more interesting and let's play a game. Ready? I'll say the month in English and you have to tell me the French of it. Alright? March. Mars. Good. August. Août. This is quite different from rest of them, right? Août. Okay. April. Avril. Good. Good work. I think you are getting the hang of it. Now, I will say the months in French and you have to tell me the English of it. Alright? Juin. June. Excellent. November. November. That was easy. September. September. Again, an easy one. Février. February. Good. So you see, you can easily remember the months because only 1 or 2 are quite different, like août for August, and rest you can see are quite similar to the English one, right? So one final go. Janvier, Février, Mars, April, Mai, Juin, Juillet, août, Septembre, October, November and December. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video and keep learning, keep enjoying. Thanks for watching, for all your love and support. Do subscribe to our channel, Schoolroom Online. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. If you wish, you can also join our Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. The links are given in the description box. See you next time.